So let's say nagbaba yan, hindi naman tayo agad-agad papasok dyan, no? So maghintay pa tayo ng retest. So usually gano'n naman yan, di ba? Magre-retest yan before it can go down. So here we can buy or we can have our sell opportunities here, no? Kung magda-downside siya. Okay? So pero right now, ang pinag-usapan natin is right now, hindi pa naman nangyayari yan, we can do our opportunity, we can enter our long opportunity here. Okay? So it's a bit risky din. So syempre, yun nga, nasa all-time high yan, and it's forming some bearish pattern, but it can still go up, no? And yun, we can so given our bias is buy, so naka-establish na tayo ng bias natin, no? We can now go to our execution levels, no? Which is a 5-minute time frame. We can go for 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, and okay. So yan nga, ilang beses rejected sa support zone. Okay. Yan. So sa 4-hour time frame, napakalaki ng pwedeng takbuhin pataas, no? Pero we can actually go here, and we can actually have this kind of opportunity or setup. Yan. So kahit sundan lang natin tong trend line na to, no? So pwede kasi pag binutas niya pa yan, then we can look for an opportunity to enter. And so pag nag-breakout yan, dyan, then syempre magre-retest pa yan. Kung di mo mag-retest yan, we can always find some opportunity, no? Then it's gonna go up again. So that's where we can find another. Yan. So that's how we do it. But for now, yan, so we're looking for an opportunity right now. Since ngayon tayo nag-trade, yan, we can enter now sa long setup, and then let's put our SL dito below this trend line. So meron siyang upward channel, no? So it can go on, and it can either break, it can break on either side, no? So it can break this or break this, and eventually break here, no? So ano yung risk reward ratio natin? Is 1.83, which is fairly good. We are actually aiming for 2. Yan, pinakamaganda is 2, but pwede na rin to, no? So pwede na rin to for an entry. 1.8. Yan. So ibig sabihin niyan, risk reward ratio, you are risking $1, no, for a chance, no, for a possibility to get $1.70 as a profit.